In this video, I'll show you how to track leads in ClickUp. Tracking leads in ClickUp is useful when you want to manage potential customers, follow up on sales opportunities, and keep your sales process organized in one place. Instead of using a basic spreadsheet, ClickUp lets you create a simple lead tracking system with tasks, statuses, custom fields, and views. First, open ClickUp and go to the space where you want to manage your leads. You can create a dedicated space called Sales or use an existing business workspace. Next, create a folder or list for your leads. For example, you can create a list called Lead Pipeline. This list will work like your main database for all potential customers. Now set up your lead statuses. Common statuses include new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. These statuses help you see exactly where each lead is in the sales process. After that, create a task for each lead. The task name can be the person's name, company name, or opportunity name. Inside the task, add important details such as contact information, notes, meeting history, and next steps. Next, use custom fields to track lead details more clearly. You can add fields for email address, phone number, company, lead source, deal value, expected close date, priority, and assigned sales rep. For a visual sales pipeline, switch to Board View. This lets you drag leads from one stage to another as they move through your process. You can also use due dates and reminders for follow-ups. For example, if you need to call a lead next week, set a due date so you do not forget. Finally, review your lead pipeline regularly. Check which leads need follow-up, which deals are close to closing, and which opportunities are no longer active. Using ClickUp for lead tracking helps you stay organized, improve follow-ups, and manage your sales process more clearly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.